Hello students, in previous video we have seen latent heat and their types. Today we will see regelation. So what is regelation? The phenomenon in which the ice converts to liquid due to applied pressure and then reconverts to ice once the pressure is removed is called as regelation. So let us learn about regelation by practically method. So let's begin. If two small pieces of ice are taken and pressure against each other, for a while they stick to each other. Why does this happens? Because of due to applied pressure, the ice pieces stick to each other. And that is the base of regelation. Then we will take an activity. Take a small slab of ice or piece of ice and a thin thread. So put a slab of ice or a piece of ice on a stand as shown in this type of like this, and put the thread on the slab and hold it tightly to both the sides. After some time, the thread comes out of lower surface of the ice slab. However, the ice slab does not break. The ice slab does not break. The melting point of ice becomes lower than 0 degree Celsius due to pressure. This means that the 0 degree Celsius, the ice gets converted into water. As soon as the pressure is removed, the melting point is restored to 0 degree Celsius and water gets converted into ice again, and this is called regelation. So in this experiment, what you will observe, in the above experiment, the wire moves through the ice slab. However, the ice slab does not break. And so what is the reason? For your homework. And again your homework, is there any relationship of latent heat with the regelation? So next time we will continue, and today we will stop here. Thank you.